Here's our low-carb zucchini rösti, inspired by the famous Swiss rösti. It's delicious, easy to prepare, budget-friendly, and completely diabetes-friendly. If you're looking for a satisfying low-carb meal, you're going to love this recipe. So let's get started. You can already see all the ingredients on the screen. First, take 2 large zucchinis weighing about 600 grams in total. Trim off both ends and place a cheesecloth over a large bowl. Put a coarse grater inside the bowl and grate the zucchinis directly into the cloth. Make sure you use the coarse side of the grater. Add 1½ teaspoons of salt and mix well. Let the zucchini rest for about 10 minutes so it can release some of its moisture. Then squeeze the cloth firmly until you've removed as much liquid as possible. We removed about 300 grams of water from 600 grams of zucchini. Finely chop 1 handful of fresh dill and set it aside. Crack 2 eggs into a separate bowl and beat them well. Pour the eggs over the drained zucchini. Add a little more than half of the chopped dill, then 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of paprika powder. Now grate 120 grams of mild cheese using the coarse side of the grater. Add it to the mixture and stir everything with a spatula for about 1 minute until all the ingredients are evenly combined. Place a non-stick frying pan over very low heat. This is one of the most important steps, so keep the heat low throughout the cooking process. Add 1½ tablespoons of sunflower oil. Once the pan and the oil are warm, spread the mixture evenly to a thickness of about 1 centimeter. Cover the pan with a lid and cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Carefully flip the rösti using a large plate. Add another 1½ tablespoons of sunflower oil to the pan and cook the other side until both sides are evenly golden brown and slightly crispy. Your zucchini rösti is now ready. Place half of it on a serving plate and add any side dishes that match the meal you want to enjoy. Now let's take a look at the nutritional values. Traditional rösti is made with potatoes, so its glycemic values are much higher. There's really no need to compare the two. This generous 300-gram serving contains only about 7.5 grams of net carbs. Together with its high protein content and very low glycemic load, this rösti is an excellent choice for a diabetes-friendly main meal. If you'd also like to reduce your fat and calorie intake, simply enjoy a slightly smaller portion. We've reached the end of another recipe. If you enjoyed this delicious and easy low-carb zucchini rösti, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and leave us a comment. Your support means a lot to us. Until our next recipe, take care of yourself and stay healthy.